Hey Scouts, Cub Master Ben here. So I wanted to have some fun this weekend with you guys instead of the normal kind of thing we do, right? So I did the Coke and Mentos experiment for the first time today for myself, right? Because I had to just see if everything that I heard about it is really true. And it was kind of cool, I'll be honest. It was, but it wasn't quite what I expected either. But that's up to you to decide, okay? So, real quick, let's talk about how it works, okay? And then I'll show you how my experiment went today. I did regular Coke and Diet Coke, which is plain old Mentos, and we'll show you how it went down, okay? So, first off, let's talk about, like, how does it work? So, what happens is when you drop the Mentos into the bottle, right, or the cup or whatever you're going to use, the bottle works the best, okay? You drop it into the bottle, and what happens is when that soda actually breaks through the top level, the mint drops through the top level of the soda, it starts to create a carbon dioxide reaction. So it starts to create carbon dioxide, okay? Now, this is already in the soda itself to some degree because it's how they cause the carbonation or the bubbling when you open your soda, right? So that's causing it. Now, what it's doing is this mint is causing a lot more carbon dioxide to be created, right? And so it's creating so much that it actually creates pressure and burst the soda up out of the bottle, okay? That's why when you put the lid on, maybe it shoots the lid off if you get enough in there, okay? So, obviously, the amount of mints or the amount of soda you have is going to make a difference. Is it cold? Is it hot? Right? I just used some warm temperature soda. I used 2 mints on the first one, 3 or 4 mints on the second one, right? So, I thought it'd be fun to do. So, we'll leave that here in a second. I'll show it to you guys. You'll see a couple different views of it, so stay tuned. Leave me your comments below. Like, subscribe to my videos, guys. Subscribe to my channel. And show me what you did. So let me know how it goes for you guys. All right, Scouts? So from me to you, we'll talk to you guys later. Have a great summer, guys.